Alright, so another brisky morning, got the heater going. In this episode we're gonna do the bearings. So what I got is the Rough Country heavy duty bearing set. I know a lot of people are so much against Rough Country, but we'll try them out, see how they do, see how they hold up to bigger tires and all that stuff. Alright, so I've painted up the C here, so we just need to remove the paint, or not the paint, but the tape that I used. So I didn't exactly want to get paint down in here, so that way we could easily, or as easy as we can, place this stuff. So the knuckle, I'm going to start with the bottom knuckle, and we're going to go up in, and you always want to face it according to the directions of the Rough Country, where the lube point's going to be. You want it facing backwards. So, and what's neat about this is it fits really up in there pretty good, just like that. So we'll use the same kit that we used to remove it. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Alright. Gonna do it as even as possible. Oh yeah. Actually, this might work the whole way. Yeah, I see we're there. Whew. My goodness. And it did mar it a little bit, but around the edge, but that's all right. Sweet. Now let's do the top one. All right, so I got it. It was easy, but I made a mistake. So I did use this on the top. I was a little weary on doing it on that top, but it seems like it didn't damage it at all, and it's good. But I got it seated in. Problem is, I used this and it slipped and damaged the threads right there. So I'm gonna have to grind it down so that way I can at least get the nut on, because there's no getting the nut on that right there. So what I use is I use this on top. Like I said, I was weary about it, and then I used the open one, put it on there, and then that's what I used to put it on. So yeah, I mean, honestly, be careful with pushing it on the top there. I don't know if that's probably not the best place to do it. So, but now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then But I'm going to end the video right here and just focus on getting that done. And I won't damage the threads on that one, I promise. And then the next video, I'll be cleaning the knuckles up, or at least the next one as far as this. I've got some other videos that are probably going to pop off having to do with this disaster I've created. But anyways, yeah, so at least as far as this, the next part will be cleaning the knuckle up and then putting the knuckle on, and I'll give you guys torque specs on that when it comes to that. But I'm playing with the idea of getting new knuckles, but I'm going to start with the old ones and start cleaning them up and see how much of a job it's going to be, because the thing is, do I want to save time or do I want to save money? And yeah, so you can understand that dilemma. I like the time saving aspect, but then again, it saves me money just to clean them up and as they are. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next awesome video. Alright, if I would have done one thing over again, I probably would have put the lube nozzle, I don't know what it's called, in there first before I put it in. I think the piece that goes over is big enough it wouldn't damage it, but you can't hardly get a wrench in there. It was a pain in the butt. Top one's easy. Obviously I'd do that over again, but just a note to self, if you look at the directions, it seems like this is much thinner than what mine are. On the C, I don't know what kind of vehicle they're looking at, or maybe it's something older and they beefed it up just a tad bit. I mean, I have it up all the way. It's all the way up flush, so it's not that it can go any further. So, but anyways, just a note to self.